Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for a very long time, but this year we are back and we'll be giving you a lot of DIY things you can do by yourself. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful trimming applique. Okay, first of all, what you need is your lace trimming. You can get this from any lace of your choice. You can trim out any lace of your choice that has, spaces like this that you can fill up with your rhinestones. And then you need your rhinestones. You can have like different color. Look at them blinking already. So you can have like different colors. They have different types, shapes, colors as well. So depend on like what you can get. This is, let me see if you can see, this is purple, this like lilac. So you can also add pearls. You could add glass rhinestones with flat base. Okay, so you can also add this as well to them. So I just have like a mixture of like different types of shiny rhinestones that I could add to this. This is pearl. You can have different shapes, just like I said before. This is also a different type. This one looks like diamonds. Okay, so you can have this as well to it. And I also have like more. So here we have like a flat glass. It's transparent though. It's transparent. I don't know if you can see. It's transparent, but then it's like glass, so it reflects a lot. The back is also flat. I believe if you're in Nigeria, you can get this from any store, any local store. And also we have the flat gold pearl. Okay, you can also get this from any local store. You need your hook glue. You can use hook glue. You can use your E8000 or 9000 or whatever thousand you have. And also you could also opt for your gun, your candle gum. But for this video I'll be using the candle gum. So whatever you have, it's fine. You can also choose to, if you have rhinestones that you can tack like this one, you can, if you see clearly, you see holes by both ends, so you can still choose to like tack it to your lace, I mean your lace trimming. So but for today we'll be gumming them. So what we're going to be doing is you get your rhinestones, whatever the shape may be, and you place it. So you just want to fill in the gap. So what you'll be doing is you take your rhinestone, whatever shape, and you place it to fill the holes. Okay, so we're going to be filling this completely. So we'll just go use our candle. Hope you can see me. So that's what we'll just be doing. You can place your glue gun, your glue at the back, and just gum it. Okay, you want to make sure that that's secured. You have it secured. Look at the back, you have it secured. Then you go in with another one. Go in with another one. You place it at another opening, just like this. Place it there. You go in with another. So you can do big rhinestones to big places, to big openings. Then you do little rhinestones to little openings. So that's what we're going to be doing. So this is for the, so you just go ahead and keep placing them. So this is what we have so far. As you can see, it's already glittering. So you keep placing more, you place more smaller ones. you can decide to go in with one color at first, then wrap up with another. That means you can do color by color first, then you go in with maybe another shape of rhinestone, or you can just, you know, whatever works for you. Just make sure you're filling them up, you're filling it up. Fill up your lace trimming. So you want to keep at it until, you know, there's barely any space left in the lace trimming. You can also decide to get a lace trimming of smaller size, you know, depending on where you want to put it in your outfit. You want to put it on the shoulder, on the bust area, on the waistline, wherever you decide to put it. Just make sure that you have enough to go around. So I'm just going to go offline and, you know, complete this, and then when we come back, we'll see the finished look. This is what we have so far. You can see this is what we have so far. So I'll just go offline and add more to it, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm done putting all the rhinestone on the lace trimming, and this is what we have. Can we see how beautiful it looks? So I'm just going to take off the extra glue web. You know, when using candle glue, this is what you get. So just be patient and drag off every web in it. So we're removing the webs from the candle glue. There's this white things on top of it, so take them off gradually. So there's no particular color that you can use on your lace trimming. You can use any color, but also you should be careful to use a color that is dominant on your dress. Let's say you have a red dress, so make sure that there's a red rhinestone on, you know, on your lace trimming. So if it's a black dress, make sure you have some black rhinestones as well. If it's a white dress, have silver rhinestones on your lace trimming, so as to make it pop. So you can achieve this by just having any rhinestones that you have and placing it on your lace trimming. So this is the final look. Can we see? So this is what it looks like now. It has been beautified. So you can place this on your shoulders or on your waistline, but mostly on your shoulders, because, you know, it's very, very pretty on your shoulders. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll be posting more videos this year for you. A lot of DIY videos will be coming up for you to be able to, you know, do things yourself. Thank you so much for watching.